Welcome to the Old Dominion University Library's website, where you can access a wide range of resources to support your research and academic needs. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to access Kanopy, a streaming video database that's like Netflix, but with a focus on educational and documentary content. To get started, first navigate to the library's homepage at odu.edu/library. Then, click on the Databases tab in the top navigation menu. Here you'll find an alphabetical list of databases available. Click K to narrow the list, and you'll see a link to open Kanopy. Log in with your Midas ID and password if you haven't already. Once you're signed in, you can start exploring the vast array of videos available on Kanopy. Kanopy also has a mobile app for your devices. The steps for logging in are a little different. First, download and open the app. You'll be presented with two options: Get Started or Log In. Click Get Started, then find University. Search for Old Dominion, and you'll be prompted to log in with your Midas ID and password. On the Kanopy homepage, you can browse through the library's extensive collection of streaming videos, including documentaries, indie films, and classic cinema. When searching, you'll see some videos that you can access and some that you cannot. If you're a faculty member, you can request access by filling out the form provided. That's it. Now you know how to access Kanopy through the ODU Library website. If you have any issues, contact the library by chat or email.